Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access additional settings. In them, select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Following that, just tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!